Well, we are relatively new. We just started last year, and this year we're actually an official PIAA sport. But bowling is a sport where really anybody can do it, and there is some natural ability that goes along with bowling. But stacking up with the other teams this year, I think in our American conference we have a good shot. Just looking at all the averages from last year, we're pretty much right on par with the middle of the pack. So if our guys have a good outing, I think we have a shot to beat pretty much anybody in the league. All right, so yesterday we bowled against Upper Dublin, and last year I did do some scouting on the previous season. They were last in the league, and I knew it would have been a good confidence booster for our guys going into yesterday. And the boys did take 4 games, so we're 4-0 right now. Going away from the match, though, I think a lot of them still need to work on those spares. So a lot of people want to get those strikes to get those big 200, 240 games. But as a bowler, you have to realize that you're not always going to shoot that high. So the biggest thing that they probably need to take away is if they don't get a strike, like stay in your own head and don't get all frustrated, and you have to try to make that spare. Because we have some 160 bowlers right now who could easily be 190 bowlers if they made just 2 more spares per game. So that's probably the biggest thing to take away from yesterday.